Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable and set up chat bubble on your WhatsApp. I'm easily set up this. So let's get started. So simply you just open your Play Store or App Store. This method will work on Android and iPhone device. Go to search option, search set to and just need to install this. Press on to open. Make sure to enable. Turn on. Enable notification. Okay, go back. Press on to get start. Press on this arrow option. And press on to application. Make sure to enable to messenger, message or if you want to add more, make sure to enable WhatsApp. Go back, and when I receive a message, now showing it to chat bubble. That's it.